So next thing we're going to do is we're going to roll our shoulders forward and roll our shoulders back. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go for a swim. And we're going to, now, notice when I do my pre-framing. Okay, so we're going to be in the shallow water. Are there big animals in the shallow water? There's small animals. Right? So what kind of animals are small animals in the shallow water? Fish. Everyone say hi, fish.
Hi, fish.
All right, let's keep swimming. What's another small animal in the ocean? Turtle. Everyone say hi, turtle. All right, now we're going in the deep water. So now move your shoulders more. All I want is movement. Just doing this alone will help get some more oxygen, energy, and blood to your shoulders. By the way, I don't want to scare anybody. Shark! Everybody swim, 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 swim. Shark's in front of you. Swim backwards, backwards, backwards. Everybody fly out of the water. Everybody fly this way. Feel all this stretch. Breathe. Everybody go the other way. Feel everything in your ribs stretch. All right, great. And superhero landing. All right, cool. All right, now, I know some of you guys, okay, now, let's get weird. Okay, hands like this. Rub your hands together. What are you creating now? You're creating what? Friction, which is what? Which is heat, which is energy. So now, everybody feels a little bit of warmth in your hands. Now, cup your hands. Okay, now, pull your hands apart just like that. Okay, I love watching faces. Anybody feel anything between their hands? It's okay. Feel free, listen, I see your faces. Feel free to be as skeptical as you want. And you can feel free to let your faces show it, or you can just be open. Let's try it again. Rub your hands together. Okay, everybody creates energy. Everybody has heat. It's just some people feel it more than others. Doesn't mean it's not there. Pull your hands apart like that. And just see what you feel between your hands. Does anybody feel like there's a block or something pushing back and forth? A little bit? Okay, that's fine. Like if you pulled your hands apart, would you feel it pulling you together? Just, okay, so listen, so I'm not just crazy. Half the people are crazy. Let's do it again. Rub your hands together. This is energy. There are kids that can see energy. There are kids that can see auras. I do Reiki. I've been doing it for about 15 years where I can feel and see energy on kids and on humans. So pull your hands apart like that. Now, pull your hands apart even more. See if you can still feel it. Like if you bring your hands together, you feel resistance. And now, pull your hands apart even more and give yourself an energy hug and go, I love you, me. And just hold it. Just hold it. Okay? It's okay. Now, rub your hands together again. Pull your hands apart just like that. And give yourself a belly energy hug. Go, I love you, belly.